In this video, you'll learn how to change your address on eBay. This process ensures that your shipping and billing information is accurate for future purchases. Begin by signing in to your eBay account through the website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile menu, which is typically located at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Account Settings and select it. This section contains various options related to your personal information, including payment settings and addresses. After accessing the account settings, locate the section specifically for addresses. This area displays all the addresses you have saved within your eBay account. It is essential to manage these addresses to ensure proper shipping and billing information. Click on the addresses option to proceed with updating your address. Inside the address section, find the address you wish to update. Next to that address entry, you will see an edit option. Click on this edit button to access the fields where you can change your address details. Enter the updated street name, city, postal code, and country information as necessary. Take a moment to ensure that all details are accurate, as incorrect information can lead to delivery issues. Once you have entered the correct address details, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the form. Clicking this button will store the new address in your account settings. After saving, your future purchases will automatically use this updated shipping address. If you have multiple addresses saved, you can select one to be your default shipping option, which simplifies the checkout process. Keeping your address information updated is crucial for preventing shipping problems. Always confirm that the changes have been saved before placing any new orders. If you're unsure, you can revisit the addresses section to verify that your updated address appears. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.